Hey everyone, if your Precor Treadmill is freezing, showing errors, or acting up, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to reset your Precor Treadmill so it runs smoothly again. Whether it's a quick fix or a deeper console reset, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. The first method is the simple power reset, perfect for clearing minor glitches. Start by removing the safety key and make sure your treadmill is completely stopped, speed at 0, and incline at 0. Next, unplug the treadmill from the wall outlet and wait about 30 seconds. After that, plug it back in and power it on. Just like that, many temporary issues will be cleared and your treadmill should be back to normal. It's fast, easy, and works in most cases. If the basic reset doesn't solve the problem, it's time for the advanced console reset. Begin by pressing and holding the stop button. While keeping stop pressed, tap the enter button 3 times. This will bring up the error log menu on your screen, letting you see any stored errors. To clear these errors, press and hold the quick start button for about 4 seconds. You'll see a confirmation message once the log has been erased, effectively clearing any persistent issues. This deeper reset can fix stubborn problems that the power reset couldn't. And that's it. Whether it's a quick power reset or a full console reset, your Precor Treadmill can be back in perfect shape in just a few minutes. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy fitness tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Keep running and keep moving forward.